Is your car shaking or idling rough on cold mornings? You're not alone. Cold weather messes with your engine, but most winter rough idle issues are easy to fix at home. In this video, I'll show you why rough idle happens in winter and how to fix it. No fancy tools or expensive trips to the dealership needed. We'll cover everything from oil and spark plugs to those sneaky vacuum leaks. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do when your car acts up on a frosty morning. Let's get started. So, what's a rough idle? It's when your engine shakes or sputters at a stop, especially after a cold start. Instead of a steady hum, you feel vibrations and see the RPM needle bouncing. It's your engine struggling to run smoothly, usually because the air-fuel mix isn't quite right in the cold. It's not a disaster, but it's a warning sign you shouldn't ignore. Fix it early, and you'll avoid bigger problems down the road. One big winter culprit: thick engine oil. Cold turns oil into sludge, making your engine work harder to circulate it. If your oil is old or the wrong viscosity, your engine will struggle every cold morning. Use the right multi-viscosity oil, like 5W30, for your climate. Fresh, proper oil helps your engine run smoother in winter. Your engine needs air, and a dirty throttle body can choke it. Carbon and grime build up, especially in cold weather, blocking airflow and confusing the computer. This causes unstable idle and more shaking. Cleaning the throttle body is cheap, easy, and often fixes rough idle fast. Don't skip this step. Cold weather drains your battery's power fast. A weak battery can't deliver enough juice, causing rough idle and hard starts. If your battery is old or slow to crank, replace it before winter leaves you stranded. Clean the terminals for a solid connection. A strong battery keeps your engine and electronics happy. Spark plugs ignite the fuel, but cold weather makes their job harder. Worn or dirty plugs can't make a strong spark, leading to misfires and rough idle. Check and replace old plugs. They're cheap and make a big difference. Fresh plugs mean smoother starts and better performance. Don't overlook this simple fix. Vacuum leaks let extra air sneak into your engine, messing up the air-fuel mix. Cold weather shrinks rubber hoses, causing cracks and leaks. Listen for hissing, check hoses for cracks, and replace any that look worn. Fixing vacuum leaks can instantly smooth out your idle. It's a classic winter problem. Easy to miss, easy to fix. The easiest fix: let your engine warm up for 30-60 seconds before driving. This gives oil time to circulate and parts to expand. Don't rev or drive hard right away. Gentle driving helps everything settle. This simple habit prevents wear and smooths out rough idle. Sometimes, patience is all your car needs. If warming up doesn't help, clean your throttle body. Remove the air intake tube, open the throttle plate, and wipe away carbon with throttle body cleaner and a rag. Don't force the plate on newer cars. Check your manual, reassemble, and you'll often notice a smoother idle right away. It's a quick job with big results. Try this before replacing parts. Test your battery with a voltmeter. 12.6 volts or higher is healthy. Clean off any corrosion on the terminals for a solid connection. If your battery reads low or is over 3 years old, replace it. A fresh battery prevents winter headaches. Don't risk getting stranded in the cold. Pull and inspect your spark plugs. Look for wear, carbon, or oil. Replace any that look bad, or if you don't know their age, set the correct gap for your car. New plugs are cheap insurance against rough idle. This quick check can solve a lot of winter problems. With the engine running, listen for hissing and check hoses for cracks. Spray water or starter fluid near suspect areas. If the idle changes, you've found a leak. Replace cracked hoses or tighten loose fittings. Most vacuum leaks are easy and cheap to fix. Don't let a tiny leak cause big headaches. Winter rough idle is common, but now you know how to fix it yourself. Most issues are simple: oil, throttle body, batteries, spark plugs, or vacuum leaks. Save money, avoid the dealership, and keep your car running strong. If this helped, like, subscribe, and share your car questions below. I love hearing your stories and helping you out. Thanks for watching. See you next time.